In the high-voltage world of electrical distribution, a sudden fault can cause catastrophic damage. To prevent this, we rely on heavy-duty protection. Enter the vacuum circuit breaker, or VCB, a highly reliable switchgear technology designed to detect electrical faults and instantly interrupt the flow of current. To understand how it achieves this, let's look at the core components. Inside this protective casing lies the true heart of the system. Unlike standard breakers that use oil or SF6 gas, the VCB uses a perfect vacuum to extinguish dangerous electrical arcs. Within the vacuum bottle, we have two primary contacts, a fixed contact at the top and a moving contact at the bottom. During normal operation, these contacts are pressed tightly together, allowing high electrical current to flow smoothly through the circuit. Because a vacuum offers incredibly high dielectric strength, the entire interrupter can be highly compact without risking current leakage. But what happens when a short circuit occurs? The system's protective relay instantly detects the massive surge in fault current. This mechanism rapidly pulls the moving contact downward, away from the fixed contact, forcing the circuit to break. A trip signal is sent to the VCB's operating mechanism, which stores energy using heavy-duty springs or magnetic actuators. As the contacts separate, the current doesn't want to stop. It forces its way across the gap, instantly generating extreme heat. This heat is so intense that it vaporizes the metal on the surface of the contacts, creating a conductive plasma. This plasma forms what we call a metal vapor arc. In a normal atmosphere, this arc would burn out of control. But inside this sealed bottle, there is no air, no oxygen, and no gas to sustain the electrical fire. The arc is forced to rely entirely on the vaporized metal. However, alternating current naturally fluctuates, dropping to zero 100 times a second. At the exact millisecond the AC current reaches zero, the arc briefly extinguishes. This is the vacuum's moment to strike. Because there is no gas to ionize, the vacuum recovers its dielectric strength incredibly fast, in mere microseconds. Simultaneously, the vaporized metal rapidly expands outward and condenses back into a solid state upon hitting the cool surfaces.
This is why the bottle contains an arc shield. It captures the metal vapor, preventing it from coating the ceramic insulator.
To allow the moving contact to pull away without letting air inside, a stainless steel bellows is used at the base. The bellows flexes, the contacts reach their full open position, and the massive electrical fault is safely and permanently cleared. Thanks to the absence of gas, VCBs require incredibly low maintenance, offer a long lifespan, and are highly environmentally friendly.
They represent the pinnacle of medium voltage protection, keeping our grids safe, stable, and ready to power the future.
To learn more about advanced switchgear technology and power distribution systems, subscribe and stay connected.